Today I'm going to show you how to create editable 3D text in Photoshop. Create a new document with these details. You can pause video to remember the settings. Click on Create or hit Enter. From Adjustments, create a gradient layer. Pick one of these two color gradients. Click on it. Double-click on Color slider. And type this color code, then click OK. Same process on this slider. Click OK. Change style to radial. Increase scale value to around 200%. Hit OK. Pick Text tool and type your text. I'm using Porky's font. Also, you can use any font. Click here. Press Ctrl T or Command T and make text size bigger. When you're OK with the size, hit Enter. Right-click on text layer and convert to Smart Object. Right-click again and choose Blending Options. Click on Gradient Overlay. Then copy the process. Now choose Bevel and Emboss, and apply these settings. Choose Stroke. Copy settings. Finally, click on Drop Shadow, and make sure you apply these settings. And click OK. Press Ctrl T or Command T and one click on upper arrow key on keyboard. Then hit Enter. Press Ctrl Alt Shift T or Command Option Shift T multiple times. Scroll down and select bottom layer. Double-click on Drop Shadow. Increase opacity to 70%. Size 49 pixels. Distance 36 pixels and click OK. Hold Shift key. And click on top layer. Then press Ctrl G or Command G to group all layers. If you want to change your text, double-click on one of the layers. Type text. Then press Ctrl S or Command S. You can download this PSD file from description for free. See you in next tutorial.